We just finished the workout and we are feeling fucking amazing. This is so much more than just a workout. This is not just building muscle. This is about building the habit, building the discipline, and it's about feeling fucking alive. Can you see it? Every time we move, we create energy. And every time we create energy, we increase our frequency. And every time we increase our frequency, we kill the weak version of ourselves. Most people are hungover right now. Most people are scrolling. Most people are still laying in fucking bed, but not us. We move, we fucking win. And while I were at the gym, we made almost $22,000 last 2 hours. This is what happens when you lead with discipline. You move first, then the money will follow. It was my birthday yesterday, so I'm giving you $500 off my mentorship and 90% done for you system. Only for a few people or until the timer hits 0. If you want to level up your mind, your body, your income, you comment yes, and I send you the details. Let's get it.